imposter syndrome तो फिर सबका ही दोस्त है. And me and Sameer had dinner उस movie के बाद in complete
Silence.
silence.
Okay, so where were we before the lights went out?
Lights, cameras went out.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Artistic Wave podcast. I'm your host Sameer, and आज हम यहाँ हैं with one of my best friends, Suleiman Saad Khan. क्या चल रहा है जिंदगी में आपकी?
कट रही है जिंदगी. नहीं, जिंदगी सही चल रही है यार. Just working, I guess.
अच्छा, before हम we get into it, मैं आपको introduce तो कर दूँ.
आप ये कर लें.
ये मैं I think कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा सा introduction हो जाए आपका. So I think the best way to introduce you would be you're an amateur music video director,
Yeah,
and you're currently transitioning towards narrative film direction.
that is quite accurate. I'm actually very impressed.
That's right.
Yeah.
We keep tabs. We keep tabs on our friends.
That's lovely.
So what's been going on?
यार यही चल रहा है honestly. Just I think recently the only thing that I've realized is कि if there is obviously I think improvement तो आप हर जगह करते ही रहते हो. But the one thing that I'm still quite weak in is writing. Just flat out writing, right? Like concepts, develop हो जाते हैं. You can think of all of that. You can think of all the moving parts, but just sitting down, writing good dialogue, all of that. So I've just been working on that. So
Do you think you're excessively critical about your writing? Because I feel like as far as writing, specifically writing goes, I think a lot of artists do have that kind of problem that they don't think their writing is good enough, even when it is.
maybe, but either ways, I know for now, though, at least definitely.
Yeah,
like,
I mean, definitely we are all in our learning phase, but
Yeah.
at the same time, it's like,
I
do,
just
do you think even if you wrote something really really nice, in this time you would be like highly critical of that?
probably, but I don't think of it like that because I'm just like, it's better to be highly critical than be highly delusional.
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah, right.
100.
Like,
I
yeah,
think
right.
I think we've met a couple
Yeah.
of people like that in our
Exactly,
lives.
right. It's better
Yeah.
to like know that you're writing garbage, or like it's better to know or think that you've written garbage even though it's not than like it being the other way around.
Keeps you humble brag,
Yeah.
humble brag, basically. You know,
Humble
like
brag,
like
humble
for
brag,
example,
Navio.
like if you wrote a movie, the movie is like a solid 7, right? But you yourself rated as a 5. But if you rate a 7, a 10, then
That's a problem.
then it's cringe.
Yeah, exactly. And imposter syndrome तो फिर
Yeah.
सबका ही दोस्त है, and all the greatest artists have always suffered from that. So दिल को फिर सुकून रहता है थोड़ा.
Okay, so where would you say your art journey, your storytelling art journey started from?
I mean, I think it started from like the very beginning. I remember being very young and just drawing and all of this stuff and writing and coming up with stories. And at that age, it's always very आपके घर वाले बड़े उसको सपोर्ट करते हैं और इनकरेज करते हैं कि यार हाँ हमारा बच्चा इतना क्रिएटिव है and this and that. And I've been doing theater since I was 5. And
Until it comes to them, oh, आपके बच्चे को ये as a career करना है, and they're
Exactly.
like, oh, whoa, 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 whoa,
and
whoa, whoa,
it's this
hold
weird,
on.
yeah, and it's a really weird juxtaposition कह लो, conundrum कह लो, इतनी सारे आप चीजें कह सकते हो उसको, because all my life, all our lives, we are pushed upon this path कि यार हाँ, be creative, be art, be an artsy kid, ये वो. And then when you go like, yeah, you know what, I'm kind of good at this brings me a lot of joy.
Yeah.
And I know कि अगर मैं इसके ऊपर एक insane amount of effort put in करूँ, जो कि मैं करने को तैयार हूँ, खुशी खुशी करूँगा.
And you have been, I know that.
तो उसके ऊपर you draw the line कि यार नहीं.
Yeah, like all your life you're like you make your kids stand out literally ये कह कह के हर किसी को ओ मेरा बच्चा आर्ट्सी है, मेरा बच्चा ये करता है, मेरा बच्चा ये करता है, मेरा बच्चा ये करता है, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर में वो ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है.
Yeah.
बट एज लॉन्ग एज लाइक इट्स एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एंड लाइक फिर आप बड़े होते हैं देन दे लाइक ओ अब तुम्हें 9 to 5 स्लेवरी करनी है एज एट योर
Yeah.
फकिंग डेस्क.
इवन इफ चलो वो फिर एक हम एक अलग उसमें चले जाएंगे कि ओके 9 to 5 वाले उसमें इवन इफ यू वांट टू डू अ 9 to 5 लाइक गो अहेड डू इट लाइक लेट मी डू इट इन सम क्रिएटिव थिंग
Yeah, 100%.
and I think it's also a lack of awareness
Especially in a
when
desi society.
एग्जैक्टली लाइक अब आपको अगर डॉक्टर बनना है आपको पता है कि यार भाई मैं अभी क्या नाम है ए लेवल्स करूंगा इंटर करूंगी वट एवर एंड देन जस्ट आप अपना MCAT देते हो यू गो टू मेड स्कूल यू कंप्लीट योर मेड स्कूल साथ साथ अपने स्टेप्स देते हो प्लैब देते हो वट एवर गेट टू द US गेट टू द UK और स्टे हियर इन पाकिस्तान point is there's a path there for
Yeah.
you similarly with like BBA आपको पता है यार मैं BBA करने जाऊंगा सही है जितनी
ये
अच्छी
opportunities
यूनिवर्सिटी
है,
होगी
ये companies
ये
हैं.
इंटर्नशिप्स करनी है
Yeah.
ये काम करना है कहीं ना कहीं मैंने लग जाना है बेहतरीन सबसे अच्छा होगा कि भाई मैं या तो किसी कंसल्टेंसी में लग जाऊंगा या फिर मैं किसी MT प्रोग्राम में लग जाऊंगा आपका सीन
मीडिया
ऑन
में
हो
ये है
जाएगा
फिर लाइक मीडिया और लाइक एनी आर्ट फील्ड में
मीडिया
फिर
एंड
यही है.
एंटरटेनमेंट इवन आर्ट के अंदर भी आई थिंक सर द मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेबल आर्ट डिग्री इज लाइक समथिंग लाइक आर्किटेक्चर कह लो ठीक है ना because उसके अंदर फिर से आपके कुछ पार्ट्स हैं एंड ओवरऑल बस बिकॉज देयर इज लाइक सम लेवल ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स इन्वॉल्व
Yeah.
तो फिर वो हो जाता है कि अच्छा हाँ ठीक है सही है यार ये पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं एंड with overall though like in the art and entertainment and media industry के अंदर प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपका कोई सेट करियर पाथ नहीं होता you just you kind of have to dive into it and then once you dive into it then you just have to be quick on your feet कि भाई एकदम से अपॉर्चुनिटी खुलेगी और आपने जाके उसको पकड़ना
I mean, I would argue that like even in the media field, even in like any of like the art fields as well, if you really wanted to be, I feel like saying the word quote unquote sellout is too much. But even if you wanted to go to the, I would say, I think traditional route would be the better description. कि आपको 9 to 5 करना है, you want to join a big company, you want to work for someone and आप उस वे के अंदर कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहते हैं टू योर फील्ड एंड लाइक आप उस टाइप का काम करना चाहते हैं तो आई फील लाइक वो भी आप 100% कर सकते हैं. Like you don't really need to do your own thing.
Yeah, definitely. And a lot of people do and अब तो इंडस्ट्री इतनी खुल रही है और आराम आराम से खुलती जा रही है क्या हुआ है अच्छा कौन मैं या समीर ओह तो आई थिंक अब इंडस्ट्री इतनी तो खुलती जा रही है कि आप आई मीन PR पहले क्या होती थी राइट लाइक जो PR डिपार्टमेंट होता था कोई पूछता भी नहीं था एक PR डिपार्टमेंट को एंड अभी PR के डिपार्टमेंट में कितना काम होता है इतने सारे लोगों को हम जानते हैं who just simply handle PR or they're earning good money.
I mean, marketing is a huge thing now.
It's a huge
especially
deal
in
now.
Pakistan, marketing is a huge deal now.
Even production अब इतनी वो हो गई है like
क्योंकि मार्केटिंग पहले अच्छा द थिंग इज कि अभी ना लोगों को समझ ये बात नहीं आती कि व्हेन आई से मार्केटिंग अब ना तो लोग ना वो ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग पुरानी वाले ज़माने वाली समझ रहे होते हैं.
yeah
अब मार्केटिंग व्हेन आई से मार्केटिंग स्पेशली आई automatically mean production. I automatically mean design work. I automatically mean UI UX 3D animation all of that stuff.
yeah
वो सब अब मार्केटिंग के अंडर आ रहा होता है बिकॉज अब जितनी भी बड़ी कंपनीज हैं बैंक्स इवन हो गए मैं तो अभी ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज के बारे में बात कर लें अगर आप बैंक्स भी हो गए तो दे हैव लाइक देयर मीडिया डिपार्टमेंट्स और उनके अंदर ये सारी स्किल सेट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड और ये सारी स्किल सेट्स वाले बॉयज काम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ तो वही है कि it's not as first of all I तो never thought कि it was risky जो एक हमारे यहाँ है ना कि यार भाई ये तो लोग हॉबी के तौर पे करते हैं and so I've had this debate time and time again कि why wouldn't you just do like a tech degree and then do these things on the side and I'm like that particular way of thinking makes it a luck based thing and then इसीलिए लोग फिर बोलते भी हैं कि यार ओ यार I wasn't lucky enough well obviously you weren't right because अगर मैं पूरे हफ्ते में 7 दिन है उनमें से 5 दिन मैं अपनी नौकरी पे जाके घिसवा रहा हूँ ठीक है और फिर 2 दिन में अगर मेरे पास इतनी हिम्मत बची और कोई काम नहीं आए जिंदगी के तो
100%.
maybe I'll do some artsy thing maybe I'll do something इस
लाइक वो भी
तरह
होता
से
है ना लाइक जैसे आई फील लाइक यूट्यूब I would still say like it's not an up and coming thing anymore, but it's still like अभी niche के अंदर ही है
yeah
compared to काफी progress हो गया पिछले like especially in the last 5 years, but उसमें भी अभी भी उसी वे में है. It's not like traditional media, right?
Yeah.
तो
तो
YouTube पे यही है कि like आपको like 2-3 साल आप literally सिर्फ YouTube कर रहे हो without earning a penny, and that should be your motive कि मैं बस I'm making better and better videos, I'm making better and better content, I'm honing my skills, and then maybe it makes something.
it's not even about maybe. At least chalo, with YouTube, yes. But when it comes to the work that we're
Yeah.
doing, right? It goes one of two ways, right? अगर आप उस तरह से काम कर रहे हो जिस तरह से हमें बोलते रहते हैं, do it on the side. तो it's a luck based thing, right? Because then maybe I'll make something जो कि hit हो जाएगी, viral हो जाएगी, and then suddenly I'm
Yeah, you
know,
leave
I'm
your 9 to
somewhere.
5, you leave
Yeah.
your 9 to 5, and now this is what you're doing.
But even if that doesn't happen, right? Like let's say that I only do this full time, right? So then the only thing that's based on luck is if I become the next Tarantino or I become the next Chris Nolan, right? Because वो top 1% पे जाके काम करना and becoming one of the goats of the industry, उसके अंदर there is a certain level of, I'm not saying कि भाई they weren't skilled, of course they are, but like एक certain level of वो आ जाता है कि यार they were at the right place at the right time, made the right film for the right audience, the right people saw it, and आगे so on and so forth हो गया. But even if that doesn't happen, right? You were like a B-list director, or like for example that guy we saw in that movie, David Lowery.
Yeah.
सही है, बिल्कुल
We
जायज है.
are, by the way, talking about this small little movie called A Ghost Story
Absolutely
by David Lowery, and
amazing,
masterpiece.
beautiful fucking movie.
Absolutely stunning masterpiece.
Me and Sameer had dinner उस movie के बाद in complete
Silence.
silence.
नहीं, technically हमने उस movie का score लगाया था,
हाँ,
and we were just sitting there, and बहुत ही melancholic score है उस movie
Yeah.
का, and we were just sitting there, and we were eating cold pizza.
yeah,
I
we were eating,
remember.
we
It was-
didn't
it was
bother
like-
to
it was like
warm
5
it.
a.m. I think.
Yeah,
The sun was about to break, and like it was just, I think,
and just pizza and cigarettes in complete silence, and we were trying to digest it, and I was still processing it like a week later. I was still on that whole thing. Yeah,
it was like you that night you said that it's gonna be our Roman Empire for the next week, and it's been a month.
yeah, it's been a month. So first of all, hardcore recommend to anybody who's watching this.
100%.
But yeah, so like making projects like that, okay, sure, maybe I won't make the next Inception, but like even if I get to make a couple of ghost stories, I think first of all that's
And
great.
अगर हम like उसकी थोड़ी सी उस मूवी के बारे में like बात भी करें तो like what is it? Is it like this like chill ass movie जो कि like Hollywood chill movie जो कि like बहुत बड़े like आप Quentin Tarantino की movies के बारे में भी अगर बात करें, they are high budget movies, dude. Like they're
Yeah.
big budget
But-
blockbuster movies.
He didn't start off that way.
Obviously, 100%. But like the movies that regular people talk about in the regular, conversations. So if you take like a movie like Ghost Story, it's like $100,000?
$100,000. That's
$100,000.
chump change.
It's like chump
when
change for a feature film, especially in Hollywood.
Mm-hmm.
तो वही वाली बात आ जाती है वहाँ पे कि it depends के how much effort and
how smart you are and how
passion and how
creative
smart
you
you
are. Not just when it comes to your story building and all of that stuff, but even how creative you are about the execution of your production, right? Because one of the ways that they were able to save money was that they, instead of finding houses to bulldoze, they found houses that were already scheduled to be bulldozed, and उससे पहले सारी shooting कर ली उन घरों में, and then they shot the whole bulldozing scenes.
I feel like यहाँ पे वो वाला conversation भी touch हो जाएगा जो like we were previously talking about how like there's a, especially here in Pakistan, there's a difference between storytellers and direction styles.
Yeah, we can get to that, but I want to finish up the previous thing that we were talking about real quick. If you do this thing full time, we were talking about that, right? And it being a luck based thing. If you do this thing full time, get to make a few movies, and other than that, you still have skills which pay a lot, right? You can easily get to a point where you can provide for yourself and your future families while doing something that you love to do. सही है, तो that is already a win.
मैंने वही जैसे अभी प्रीवियसली बात की थी कि इवन इफ यू डोंट वांट टू लाइक डू समथिंग कंप्लीटली ऑन योर ओन, मेक समथिंग ह्यूज, आप प्रोडक्शन हाउस खोल लें और आप अपनी फिल्में बनाना शुरू कर जाएं, यू आर अ ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर लाइक और अमेजिंग डायरेक्टर, लाइक नो वन इज सेइंग दैट, लाइक वो स्किल्स आप लाइक नॉर्मली भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं.
तो you know it's like ठीक है. तो मेरा ये point है, and another thing is कि all of these big directors that you see, give me one name who got there by luck. He was doing something else and then he did this. Oh,
या कंप्लीटली ऑन द साइड, बिल्कुल कोई
हाँ, कि he
फोकस
just
नहीं था.
first of all तो ये है कि you if you're doing this shit on the side, you can't, sorry I cussed,
It's
but
fine.
you can't just make a feature film. You
Yeah.
can't just make a film.
100%.
सही है.
I think
All of-
normies, you could meet a very infuriating normie that would say that film ही तो बनानी है,
हाँ, वो तो
camera पकड़ो,
चलो
बना लो.
सही है, whatever, but like
That's
my
what
point is,
what our parents would say.
yeah, no, definitely. I mean, the other day, my mom, चलो वो it wasn't really ताने वाले उसमें, but she was genuinely like, कि यार, I really don't know what a director does. She's like, I thought, you know, it was action cut बोलते हैं. Like, okay,
Nice.
calm down. But I don't blame her, because a lot of kids, even like in universities, like हमारे साथ होते हैं who say कि they want to be directed, but if you ask them कि what the hell a director does, they don't really know. But वो हम आते हैं बाद में, like when we talk about the whole difference between directors and storytellers. But मेरा point यही था कि the only way you become a director is if you say कि यार भाई मैं सिर्फ director बनूंगा या बनूंगी, and you stay on that and
Yeah.
you stick to it until eventually you make it or you give up. There's
Yeah.
only two ways in this. तो सही है यार, देखते हैं. तो that is where I'm at, that is where my head is अभी, कि भाई the only way to make it is to like just get into it and just stick to it.
Yeah.
So I
Makes
plan on
sense.
sticking to it.
I think that is, as an artist, that is what you have to do.
It is terrifying.
Yeah,
bro.
it's
It is
terrifying, but that is
so
something that you
terrifying.
have to do.
But yeah, it's the only way to go about it. And then yeah,
Yeah. Okay, so segueing into the conversation that we were having earlier about storytellers and directing styles. तो मेरा हमेशा से perspective यही रहा है कि like storytelling and direction styles go hand in hand. So what are your thoughts about that?
I mean, I definitely agree. I think, and this leads into one of my biggest pet peeves. I think I only have two pet peeves. Okay, and one of them is spitting on the ground.
Pretty much. And
Yeah,
rough time living in Karachi, buddy.
So spitting on the ground and then people just throwing the words cinematic.
Yeah.
Say yeah, and it's like it just because you're shooting on an Alexa और आपने एक DJI का FPV drone महंगा वाला लिया होता है, Mavic 3 whatever होते हैं, आप उस पे उड़ा रहे हो and you're doing all this shit, that doesn't necessarily make something cinematic, right?
If I had 10 rupees for every time a project lead told me कि make it look cinematic,
Yeah,
मेरे पास
and
260 रुपए होते हैं.
काफी जाएगा वैसे. You can get a pack of cigarettes, like scene on है.
Scene तो हो सकता है.
Scene तो हो सकता है. But you know, it's like that thing, right? Where it's like that's not what creates cinema, right? It's like it's so many different factors. And then अगर आपने उसको बिल्कुल TLDR करके layman terms में समझाना है, तो then yes, everything that you see on screen, whether it's the sweater that your main character is wearing, to the decisions when it comes to lights or the lenses, all of that has to be tailor made to your story. कि यार आपसे अगर कोई पूछे कि यार ये वाला लेंस क्यों यूज किया तुमने, why did you use an anamorphic lens rather than a spherical lens, you should have an answer for it.
Yeah.
कि यार this is what serves my story in this particular way. ये नहीं कि यार वो एस्थेटिक लग रहा था, एनामॉर्फिक लेंस सेक्सी लग
एग्जैक्टली
रहा
लाइक
था तो मैंने
हर
लगा
चीज के
लिया.
पीछे एक लॉजिक होनी चाहिए एंड दैट जस्ट शोज आपकी स्टोरी में पता चलता है. जैसे
Yeah,
अगेन हम लोग अभी प्रीवियसली गोस्ट स्टोरी के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, उसमें लाइक यू कैन टेल लाइक
yeah.
कि द स्टोरी टेलर द डायरेक्टर दे वर इवन इफ दे वर ओके सो ना कभी कभार ना लोग मिसकंस्ट्रूड कर जाते हैं व्हेन आई से दिस दैट आई एम समहाउ सेइंग कि द स्टोरी टेलर एंड द डायरेक्टर हैज टू बी द सेम पर्सन ऑलवेज. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट.
नहीं नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स
आई एम
नॉट.
नॉट सेइंग दैट. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि एक डायरेक्टर और एक राइटर साथ अच्छा काम नहीं कर सकते. दे कैन, मगर दे बेटर वेल बी ऑन द सेम पेज.
Yeah,
या तो वो सेम बंदा हो, अगर वो सेम बंदा नहीं है तो बेटर बी ऑन द सेम पेज. 100% better be on the same
yeah.
page. You can hire one of the best directors in the world, मगर अगर वो आपकी स्टोरी का विजन नहीं समझ पा रहा ना और वो आपकी मूवी डायरेक्ट करेगा, it might look good but it will have a disconnect with the story.
It'll either have a complete disconnect with the story or your story will not stay the same. आपकी story
Yeah,
completely change हो चुकी
100%.
होगी.
Like, और ये पाकिस्तान इंडस्ट्री में आई फील लाइक ये हमें बहुत ज़्यादा दिखता है. लाइक ग्रोइंग अप मैंने ये चीज़ बहुत नोटिस की थी. ग्रोइंग अप लाइक व्हेन आई वाजंट इनटू लाइक सिनेमा इतना ज़्यादा, मैंने अभी उस पर इतना आई हैडंट रेड अप ऑन सिनेमा इतना ज़्यादा. आई डिडंट नो अबाउट like storytellers or ये किस किस्म से like how everything, how the engine works, right? And even then I would feel this like uncomfortable vibe from like especially Pakistani feature films, like
Yeah.
and by uncomfortable vibe I mean like there was this disconnect between what
Something
I was
wasn't working.
yeah, something wasn't working. There was this always this disconnect between what visually I was seeing and what the story was
Mm-hmm.
saying. एंड कि लाइक कहीं पे आपको कोड एंड कोड लगेगा सिनेमैटिक हो रहा है, लाइक एक अच्छा सा शॉट है, प्यारा शॉट है, अच्छी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, अच्छे कलर्स यूज़ हुए हुए हैं, ग्रेडिंग अच्छी है, बट द स्टोरी के साथ उसकी वाइब मैच नहीं कर रही.
Yeah.
एंड लेटर आफ्टर यू स्टडी ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स एंड लेटर यू रियलाइज के ओ दैट जस्ट मीन्स के देयर इज अ डिस्कनेक्ट बिटवीन the director and the storyteller.
And it's more than just that. I think another thing is I feel like in a lot of ways the industry here is somewhat lazy. I don't know if lazy is the right word for it, obviously, because हम तो obviously इतना उसमें involved अभी नहीं है, हम बिल्कुल ही एक independent indie side पर होते हैं. But it's like, you know, it's like that whole thing के वही के जो लोग टीवी ड्रामे डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वही जो लोग आपके टीवी एड्स डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, एंड देन फिर वही लोग आके आपकी फिल्म्स डायरेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं. एंड there's no other way to put this. When you make a film, when you make a movie, you have to be a little pretentious about it, right? And उसके अंदर मसला फिर यही हो जाता है कि एड्स के अंदर you're supposed to be flashy for no reason at all. भाई
Yeah.
आप हो, आप करो, आप डालो शशके, आप डालो छचोरपन हर तरह का, ठीक है. It makes sense in an ad. सही है. पाकिस्तान के टीवी ड्रामे तो बिल्कुल ही एक अलग तरीके के होते हैं, वहाँ पर आपका थोड़ा अलग सेटअप होता है. बट देन टू हैव ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, टीवी ड्रामे, पाकिस्तान के टीवी ड्रामे की सबसे बड़ी चीज़ होती है जो कि हमेशा मूवीज़ के अंदर ब्लीड करती है, इन माई ओपिनियन, इज़ दी एक्टिंग.
Yeah.
टीवी ड्रामों की एक बड़ी एक प्रोनाउंस्ड तरीके की एक्टिंग होती है, बड़ी थिएट्रिकल सी एक्टिंग होती है, जो कि एक मूवी के अंदर ज़्यादातर बहुत सी दफ़ा, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव लाइक दिस ग्राउंडेड ड्रामेटिक फिल्म, उसके अंदर वो वाले एक्टर्स बहुत सी दफ़ा नहीं चल पाते.
Like बहुत the like soap opera type situation
Yeah,
होती है
and sometimes when you
पाकिस्तानी.
need like a nice nuanced subtle acting, वो ना फिर वहाँ पर आपके बड़े मसले आ जाते हैं. तो ये दो तीन है मसले, but there are some people these days who are doing some really good work even in Pakistani cinema.
Yeah.
तो सही है, high hopes I guess. तो yeah.
Okay, so moving on to a little something like that would tickle your artistic bone a little. What type of stories do you get excited by?
Do I get excited by? I think anything that's okay. I'm a sucker for melancholy, number one. Right? Like just like some good old sad boy hours. तो वो तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. Whatever the story is, and I think obviously I think it goes without saying कि people like us फिर at one point ना फिर हम genre specific नहीं रहते, बस if it's good we'll watch it. And it's definitely been so melancholy is one thing that I personally really enjoy, and that is something that I try and incorporate into the stories that I write as well, because it's, you know, जो आपको पता है, जो आप फील करते हो चीजें, and based on my own personal experiences, that is राइटर डायरेक्टर का इवेंचुअली खुद भी स्टाइल बन जाता है, ऑफ द वे द काइंड्स ऑफ स्टोरीज दैट दे टेल. And the kind of stories that I like to tell are these stories which do talk about, you know, the human condition, different aspects of
Yeah.
it, right? But I like to add some otherworldly perspective into it. So, like, you know, it's something that just pushes the reality a little bit. Ke aap dekhoge and you'll be like, okay, this is like this some sort of fictional world that this director or this writer has built, but you can still relate it to your life, and you can still get these messages and these themes, and you can understand that, okay, this is what this person is trying to say, and I get it, and maybe I relate to it, or I don't relate to it, or because once again, that is what cinema truly is. Cinema is, and I think to come back to your question as well, ke when I watch a story or when I watch a movie, and uske baad I am just reflecting and introspecting on my life, that is cinema. It doesn't matter भाई आप $30,000 के कैमरे से शूट कर रहे हो या
Yeah.
3,000 रुपए के कैमरे से शूट कर रहे हो, as long as it serves your story. I mean, we all know what found footage films are, सही है, and those aren't shot on like these big ass big boy cameras, ठीक है. So as long as you can tell a gripping story which people can relate to, which sends out some sort of message in the world, that is cinema.
So you would also say that melancholy or like something human, the human touches in your stories, those are your, you could say, the Suleiman spice that you would want in every project, or do you want to like diversify, especially at this stage when
कैमरा
you're
बंद हो गया.
okay? So where were we before the lights went out?
Lights, cameras went out. So we were talking about like stories now, and the kinds of stories that attract at least me. तो उसका यही था कि हाँ, you know, you talk about the human condition, and then you amplify it with like certain levels of, you know, pushing reality. Like once again, I think the greatest example for me is a ghost story. You know, you talk about, the movie talks about, you know, not being able to move on, and just the love you have for a significant other, and loss, and all of these things. But instead of just telling a story about a person who can't move on, it tells the story of a ghost who can't move on, and then you have like that whole, you know, otherworldly element to it. So similarly, you know, I'm writing the film I'm writing, जो कि तुमने भी पढ़ी है, about, you know, the beauty of life and discovering the beauty of life and finding beauty in acceptance, but it's told through the eyes of the Grim Reaper, right? Or the depressed PE teacher जिसको 7 deadly sins आके बचाते हैं, the demons who represent 7 deadly sins, and they're the ones who help him. So pride helps his self-esteem, and once again it explores these themes of like, you know, okay, sure, you know, making the best out of your situation, whatever it is, but also how good confidence is great, but you amplify that and it becomes pride, which then becomes a sin. And I want to explore all of these themes when it comes to that particular piece that I'm writing. So yeah, I think these are the kind, like at least इस मामले में I have somewhat defined my style, at least for now. कि this is what I want to, this is how I want to write, and then obviously the directing style should complement that as well.
Do you think like, okay, so like this is a very interesting, मैंने वो story भी पढ़ी हुई है, and like it was a very interesting story, and like it was something that I think a lot of your friends would describe as very you.
Yeah, very angsty.
And I think like even your other works, the other story that you are working on currently, the thing that you're writing, वो story के अंदर भी है वो oomph, right? So do you think you are the type of like person, storyteller, director, like that will tell a sort of stories, or for the rest of your career, or for the large majority of your career, or do you want to be the type of person that is known for like many different art styles?
I think I do want to like explore here and now, every now and then, and I am a romantic. एक ये है कि I truly want to just make movies and I want to do that, but at the same time I do see आगे पीछे जो tech के अंदर integrations अब आ रही हैं and the way things are moving forward when it comes to AR VR इस तरह की चीज़ें, and at some point I do want to dive into that and see how I can make movies while incorporating those things. I don't know how it's going to happen yet, but even story wise, I think every director has a particular brand of stories that they tell. But uske andar hi I do want to explore, like I have a goal that in the next 10 years I'm going to start writing this one science fiction epic that I have in my head. But I know that for that, to get to that point, usse pehle I need to develop as a excuse me.
And like,
I want to develop as a storyteller first because I have no idea how I'm going to write that idea.
so that's like more of like experimenting with like new tech.
I want to experiment with new tech as well, but at the same time, I want to make movies and I want to experiment with like different stories as well.
Here's a very whack question, since we are talking about new tech. Like, here's a very whack question for you. Do you think there is an, like अभी आर्ट के बारे में, like जो आपकी फिजिकल आर्ट होती है, एज इन लाइक डिजिटल आर्ट जो होती है, उसके बारे में ये काफ़ी कॉन्वर्जेशन चल रहा था since the past year, ever since like ChatGPT came and like then other AI models came, and अभी Sora का आपने सुना होगा.
Yeah.
And so do you think that there could be a moment where, I can't believe I'm saying this, AI could tell better stories than a person? Because digital art की field में exactly यही हो रहा था, where it's not cooking up those images, it's not cooking up those artworks out of nowhere, out of thin air. It's using all the collective human experiences and human art forms that people have created over the last years, like tens of years on the internet, and then using all of that to learn and then create new art. So do you think like there could be a point in AI that...
Absolutely not. And I'll tell you why. I actually have it's a very simple answer in my head, and I'll try and explain it the best way I can. जो AI कर रहा है, first of all, I think it's a brilliant tool to use. I think even Sora, like in the future,
I think it would be very pretentious to say कि like भाई
हाँ
सीन नहीं है
कि
इसका,
कहाँ
इतना
कोई
नहीं
सीन
है
नहीं है,
ये।
ऐसी बात नहीं है.
और and it would इतना doom and gloom भी होना चाहिए कि बोलेंगे बस अब now everything is dead.
Yeah. अब जहाँ तक बात रही ना, देखो, in a way, Sora can possibly make greater shit than I can, because Sora can just learn from every piece of art that has ever been created,
Yeah.
including movies, including paintings, poems, stories, you name it, right? But here's the thing. Sora has never gone through the experiences that you have or I have, and it can never reach and actually pull from those depths.
Yeah.
ठीक है? तो and बात यही है कि the movies that I'm gonna make, the movies that you will ever make if you ever decide to make one, it's not gonna be for the entirety of humanity, right? It's gonna be for a select group of people who are going to feel that emotion that you're trying to throw out into the world. सही है? So the point is niche, और niche हमेशा रहता है.
Exactly.
सही है? And Sora और इस तरह के जो AIs होंगे ना, because they're pulling from so many things, कि at some level वो चीज़ generalized होगी, और उसका एक अपना शायद genre होगा, उसका एक अपना मज़ा होगा, but जो एक वो authentic human storytelling
Yeah,
है,
basically that human essence जो है.
yeah, वो I don't think AI में इतने आराम से, at
I
least
feel like-
in the foreseeable future, I don't think
can
आएगा.
I say this, that the minor emotional flaws that are present in movies, that are present in stories, that are present in artworks, digital artworks, आप बात करें, paintings बात करें, those are what make things human.
Yeah.
And I think AI can try and replicate that all it wants, but कहीं ना वो उस तरीके का जो true organic imperfection जो होता है ना, the thing we romanticize a lot, वो I don't think AI can recreate, but ना उसके अंदर वो authenticity खत्म हो जाएगी.
Yeah.
You know?
Because वही है ना, that deep human emotion,
Yeah.
वो आप सिर्फ तभी ला सकते हो
और
when you've gone through something
yeah.
yourself.
And the niches that you were talking about, कि art niches के लिए होता है, like हमने इस पूरी एपिसोड फैन गर्ल किया है about a ghost story, right? And उस मूवी के बारे में, so I was talking to our sir Rahul
Yeah.
Ijaz
The goat.
about the movie The Goat, and he loves the movie, and we fangirled about it for quite a while. But so ये हमारी क्लास में डिस्कस हुई मूवी, and literally the next week एक लड़की ने, Saima, you might know her, तो उसने भी वो मूवी देखी. She really loved the movie, but for some reason she did not have the same impact. The movie didn't have the same impact on her, right? So I feel like what the storyteller is trying to say, वो भी again from person to person depend करेगा कि what you take away from that story.
Yeah, definitely.
That I feel like is the moment where that's what AI cannot replicate.
Absolutely, it cannot. And वही पता है, that is the thing, right? In today's day and age, we chase numbers, right?
Yeah.
But there's this comedian. His name's Louis C.K. ठीक है, quite a questionable character. in the-
Questionable character, yeah.
But उसकी एक बात थी जो कि मुझे बड़ी पसंद आई थी, because he, after everything that happened in his career, so he became independent, right? और वो यही बोलता है, he's like, I don't need बड़े बड़े numbers if I'm just me, because he's like, he said New York City has 2 million inhabitants. So he's like, I'm a stand-up comedian, which means that the greatest thing I can do is play Madison Square Garden, right? Which can seat 100,000 people. 100,000 on divided by 2 million is what, like 5%, I think,
Yeah.
right? He's like, you need 5% of the population to be considered one of the greats.
So, bhai, I feel like
Though,
since
it's
like we are from Pakistan, I feel like Pakistani people who are in Pakistan and are pursuing art, I feel like they should really take this home, because like 230 million people who live here, so 5%, whew, that's a lot of people.
and 5% तो वो हैं जो educated हैं,
Yeah.
जिनको
उसका भी I feel
टाइम
like-
होगा आपका आर्ट देखने का,
Yeah.
उनमें से भी इतने कम होंगे, एंड उसके अंदर से ही आपका करियर मोर और लेस बन जाता है.
Yeah.
लोगों के बनते ही हैं. यहाँ पर भाई कौन सा आपका यूट्यूबर है जो कि 15-20 मिलियन व्यूज उठा रहा है पर वीडियो? बहुत कम है मेरे ख्याल से तो,
हाँ,
if any
100%.
even, right? Nobody's operating at like Logan Paul and Mr. Beast वाले scales, because यहाँ पर वो वाली market इतनी बड़ी है ही नहीं. So it's it's really just like you seeing around you, being aware, and just taking it easy. I think that's another thing. Don't take anything too seriously. I don't. Even in my stories, I'm pretty sure like eventually कुछ ना कुछ बचौदियाँ भी होंगी, because I like to have that
Yeah.
aspect of like कि यार जितना भी pretentious है, but at the same time not taking itself too seriously, right? Like one of my favorite movies is something that I should give you the credit for, along with some of our other friends. Go Goa Gone, right?
Yeah.
That movie is that movie is the pinnacle of like not taking itself too seriously. And this movie knows क्या
It just
मजाक
works.
उड़ा-
It just
it
works.
worked beautifully.
Yeah. Anyway, so not taking yourself seriously, I think that is the note we will leave this podcast
I think-
episode on.
Yeah.
It was lovely having you
It
in
was
the
lovely
studio,
being here.
Sulaiman.
Thank you for having me.
And hopefully we'll have you back. We'll talk more. We'll nerd out about
Yeah.
tech next time.
Done.
Yeah.
Done.
So that was our episode. And please like and subscribe. Have fun. Bye, guys.